All right, guys, got a 2010 Nissan 370z. Came in a couple of weeks ago. Had the exhaust done. We changed it out again. It's got converters there and there. This time we brought a Tomy system, all stainless, resonator, rear muffler, blue. It's real nice. We'll try to get the link in the description for you guys. That was the old kit he had on it over there. I took that off. We'll let you guys hear it. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Not bad. Go ahead and back it out. Alright, we'll let you guys hear it on the inside. .370Z, Tomy exhaust system.